Jet black, bold vertical chrome grille, 300 plus horsepower inline six, and a cabin that rivals cars costing twice as much. The 2026 Mazda CX-100, and Mazda has just raised the bar for every premium SUV on the market. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. Today we have the 2026 Mazda CX-100 right here in this exclusive dark showroom setting. And let me tell you, in jet black, this car is absolutely menacing. Mazda designed the CX-100 to compete with Lexus, Genesis, and even entry-level Mercedes. And after spending time with this car in person, they have succeeded in every single way. Let's break down every detail. Let's start outside. And in jet black, this CX-100 looks absolutely stunning. That jet black paint is deep, rich, and mirror-like. Under the showroom lighting, every sculpted surface on this car catches the light differently, highlighting Mazda's extraordinary Kodo design language, which they call the art of eliminating the unnecessary. Every line, every surface, every crease, all of it serves a purpose. Up front, that massive vertical slat chrome grille is the first thing you notice. Bold, dramatic, and wide, the chrome slats run vertically from top to bottom, framing the Mazda badge perfectly in the center. It is a statement grille. A grille that commands respect before you even know what car it is. Those slim LED headlights sweep sharply back from each side of the grille, sharp, precise, and thoroughly modern. And below, a wide lower air intake with chrome accents ties the entire front face together into one cohesive premium design. Move to the side, and the CX-100's proportions are perfect. This is a full-size three-row SUV, long, wide, and commanding. But the flowing Kodo body lines and the gently sloping roofline give it a grace and elegance that most three-row SUVs completely lack. Chrome window trim runs from the A-pillar to the rear. Chrome side steps sit below the doors, and those large black multi-spoke alloy wheels fill every inch of those wide arches. At the rear, a full-width red LED light bar connects the taillights side to side in one dramatic glowing line. The Mazda badge sits perfectly centered above the tailgate, and the rear bumper is clean, minimal, and beautifully finished. This car looks as good going as it does coming. The 2026 Mazda CX-100 in jet black looks like a luxury SUV that costs significantly more than it actually does. And that is one of the greatest compliments you can give any car. Now let's talk about what powers the 2026 Mazda CX-100. Because Mazda has given this flagship SUV the powertrain it deserves. Under that sculpted hood sits Mazda's 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, the same engine architecture that powers the award-winning Mazda CX-90, producing 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. Quick enough for a full-size three-row SUV, and the power delivery is smooth, linear, and effortless throughout the entire rev range. This is not a violent, aggressive engine. It is a refined, sophisticated one, and it suits the CX-100's character perfectly. A mild hybrid system works alongside the inline-six, recovering energy under braking and providing additional torque at low speeds for smoother, more efficient driving in city traffic. All-wheel drive comes standard on the CX-100, with Mazda's intelligent all-wheel drive system distributing power between the front and rear axles in real time based on road conditions and driver inputs. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and quietly. You barely notice gear changes in normal driving. but switch to manual mode through the paddle shifters, and the gearbox responds with a sharpness and a precision that gives you a genuine sense of control. Towing capacity? 3,500 pounds. Perfectly adequate for boats, trailers, and weekend adventures. And fuel economy? The inline-6 mild hybrid returns around 23 miles per gallon in the city and 29 on the highway. Genuinely impressive for a full-size 3-row premium SUV. Step inside the 2026 Mazda CX-100, and this all-black interior is exceptional. Everything is finished in premium black leather, seats, door panels, dashboard, and center console, with precise contrast stitching running throughout. The quality of every material you touch is genuinely outstanding. Soft close doors, genuine open-pore wood trim, and ultra-suede headliner on the top trim. This cabin competes directly with Lexus and Genesis on material quality. That wide curved display is the centerpiece of the dashboard, a panoramic screen that integrates the digital instrument cluster with a large central touchscreen in one seamless unit. The interface is clean, fast, and beautifully designed. Navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings all accessible with a simple touch or through the rotary controller on the center console, which is one of the most satisfying physical controls in any modern SUV. The Mazda badge steering wheel is perfectly weighted and beautifully proportioned, smaller in diameter than most, giving you a more direct, more connected feel to the road beneath you. Every control on the spokes falls exactly where your hands naturally rest. The center console is clean and uncluttered, a raised platform with the rotary infotainment controller, gear selector, cup holders, and drive mode controls all precisely positioned. No clutter, no unnecessary buttons, pure Mazda minimalism executed to perfection. Seating for 7, and all 3 rows are genuinely usable. The second row captain's chairs are wide, deeply cushioned, and available with heating and ventilation. Third row access is easy, and the space, while best suited for shorter passengers, is appreciably more generous than most competitors. Now, if you are watching Launch Rev USA and you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. Every single day, we bring you incredible cars like this Mazda CX-100 reviewed completely. Join the family. You will not regret it. The panoramic sunroof spans the full length of the cabin, flooding all 3 rows with natural light and making this already spacious interior feel open, airy, and genuinely luxurious. Technology highlights include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose 14-speaker surround sound system, a heads-up display, wireless charging, and Mazda's full iActive Sense safety suite, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Now, how much does the 2026 Mazda CX-100 cost in the USA? The CX-100 starts at around $55,000 for the base trim, with the fully loaded top-spec signature trim coming in around $72,000. At $55,000, the CX-100 competes directly with the Lexus RX, the Genesis GV80, and the Acura MDX, and on interior quality, on design, and on driving dynamics, the Mazda beats every single one of them. The signature trim at $72,000 gives you the full package: 21-inch black wheels, premium Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, ultra suede headliner, Bose premium audio, and every technology and safety feature available. At that price, this car is genuinely extraordinary value. The 2026 Mazda CX-100 Jet Black. Bold vertical chrome grille, 340 horsepower inline 6, mild hybrid, all-wheel drive, full-width red LED light bar, all-black premium leather interior, wide curved display, Bose 14-speaker audio, 7 seats, starting at $55,000. Mazda built the CX-100 to prove that you do not need a European badge to get European levels of quality, design, and refinement. And they have proved it, completely and convincingly. This is the most impressive Mazda ever built, and one of the most impressive premium SUVs at any price. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and subscribe to Launch Rev USA for daily reviews of the world's most incredible cars. Drop a comment below. 2026 Mazda CX-100 or Lexus RX? Which premium SUV wins? Let me know. I will catch you in the very next one.